Welcome to the 53rd episode of Kanga Crypto News, your go-to source for fast and trustworthy updates in the world of crypto. I'm Kuba, and I'm bringing you the latest and most important stories. As always, later in this episode, I'll go over the rules of our competition where you can win some KNG tokens, and I'll also reveal the winner from last week's round. But before we proceed, please remember that all the information in Kanga Crypto News is carefully compiled by our expert Kanga analysts using reliable sources. Please note, however, that this is not an investment advice. New episodes of Kanga Crypto News are released every Friday. If you want to stay informed about the most important crucial developments in the crypto world, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any important update. Now, let's get started. GameStop announced a $1.3 billion stock offering to fund Bitcoin acquisition, boosting its stock by 12%. The strategy mirrors Strategy's approach, which CEO Ryan Cohen spearheaded after meeting with Michael Saylor. GameStop aims to use Bitcoin as a treasury asset despite incurring more debt than its Q4 2024 net sales, raising concerns about financial risk. The move follows positive stock momentum with a 20% increase in the past week. BlackRock's global allocation fund disclosed $47.4 million in Bitcoin ETF holdings, reflecting a 91% increase in IBIT shares since late 2024. The world's largest asset manager has expanded its Bitcoin investment strategy as part of a broader push towards cryptocurrency. Recent filings reveal BlackRock's growing confidence in digital assets with similar investments in other funds. This move comes as global interest in Bitcoin surges and hedge funds increase exposure to crypto ETFs. Paul Atkins, nominated as SEC chair, intends to provide clear regulations for digital assets. Finally, shifting from past enforcement-heavy approaches. Before the Senate Banking Committee, he emphasized building a rational, principled framework for the crypto industry. Atkins, a former board member at the crypto firm, has $6 million in crypto investments, raising conflict of interest concerns. His approach contrasts with Gary Gensler's tenure, which focused on regulation through enforcement. President Nayib Bukele of El Salvador hinted at a potential White House visit to discuss Bitcoin cooperation with President Trump. Bukele, known for making Bitcoin legal tender, joked about bringing Diet Coke, aligning with Trump's preferences. The meeting could strengthen US-El Salvador ties while promoting Bitcoin policy integration. Trump's recent shift towards pro-Bitcoin measures adds to potential bilateral crypto collaboration speculation. President Trump granted a full pardon to BitMEX co-founders Arthur Hayes, Samuel Reed, and Benjamin Delo, who had pleaded guilty to Bank Secrecy Act violations. The pardon follows BitMEX's $30 million settlement with US regulators. The move marks a more lenient stance towards crypto regulation under Trump's administration, reflecting a shift from enforcement-heavy policies towards a balanced regulatory environment. President Trump's threat to impose new tariffs on Russian oil has raised fears that Bitcoin will drop below 80K. The geopolitical tension follows Trump's disappointment with Russia's handling of the Ukrainian ceasefire, potentially leading to a 25% import duty. Investors fear that raising energy costs could lead to minor capitulation. Amid the bearish outlook, BTC traders near 82K with technical indicators signaling further decline. Japan's Financial Services Agency FSA plans to reclassify cryptocurrencies as financial products, aiming to align them with traditional financial instruments under the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act. The FCA is conducting studies to ensure a smooth transition and plans to propose the change in 2026. This reclassification could pave the way for crypto ETFs and potentially reduce crypto taxation while introducing insider trading regulations to protect investors. Strategy announced a $2 billion Bitcoin purchase, bringing its total holding to over 528,000 BTC. The acquisition was made possible through major stock offerings, continuing Strategy's commitment to Bitcoin despite raising debt levels. While Strategy's investment have historically paid off, concerns arise due to Bitcoin's declining performance and potential liquidation risks if the market downturn continues. Elon Musk clarified that the US government has no plans to adopt Dogecoin despite his affinity for the meme coin. Speaking at a town hall, Musk emphasized that the government's blockchain integration would not include Doge, causing the coin's price to drop further. The announcement clearly distinguishes Musk's personal support and official policy, disappointing Dogecoin enthusiasts. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink warned that rising national debt could threaten the US dollar's status as the global reserve currency. In his annual letter, Fink suggested that Bitcoin could become a safer alternative if the fiscal situation worsens. He also advocated for financial innovation through digital asset tokenization to modernize markets. Fink's stance underscores Bitcoin's potential role as a hedge against dollar instability. That's all for the latest Kanga Crypto news. But before we wrap up, there's one more important announcement: the competition. You have the chance to win KNG tokens. I'm glad to announce that we have a winner from the last round of our competition. Their name is listed right here. If you're the winner, please reach out to the customer service to claim your KNG tokens. We will confirm your identity and send the tokens straight away. So how does the competition work? Predict the Ethereum to USDT value that will appear on our exchange at 9 AM Central European Time on the day of the next Kanga Crypto News episode. You can find the market link in the description, so submit your predictions using this format: hashtag Kanga Crypto News, the next episode number, and $sign followed by the value. To win, your prediction must be the closest to the actual Ethereum value, but it cannot differ by more than 10 USDT in either direction. Do you want to increase your chances of winning KNG? Here's how. Leave a second separate comment under the video that's unrelated to the contest. You can write anything you want, you can relate to any of the comments we've made. So much money is going into Bitcoin right now. By doing so, your margin of error increases to 20 USDT instead of 10 USDT. Every week, the winner will receive a prize in KNG tokens, which will be equivalent to 10% of the likes on the latest Kanga Crypto News episode. For more details, check the description below. So, did you enjoy the video? Give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news. As always, stay informed and stay ahead in the blockchain world. See you next time.
We are Kanga, beyond crypto.